If you're growing blueberries, you might walk out one day and see this: red leaves. And your first thought is probably, this is the end. There's no coming back from that. But don't panic. At least, not yet. There are a few reasons this happens, and one is actually a good thing. The first thing to ask is, what season is it? If it's fall, congratulations, you have nothing to worry about. Just like maple trees, blueberry bushes are deciduous. This is just their autumn outfit. They're getting ready for their long winter nap. Very fashionable, no stress here. However, if you're seeing red leaves in the middle of spring or summer, yeah, that's not fashion. That is a cry for help. Your plant is stressed, and it's sending you a very clear, very red signal. And the number one cause of stress for a blueberry is, well, it's a total diva about its soil. Blueberries are very particular. They must have acidic soil to survive. We're talking a pH level between 4 and 5.5. They are the I only eat organic, hand-picked berries of the plant world. If your soil's pH is too high, meaning it's too alkaline, the plant just can't function. When the pH is wrong, the plant's roots physically can't absorb key nutrients, even if they're right there in the soil. It's like having a fridge full of food, but the door is locked. The plant is literally hangry, and it's showing that anger as a phosphorus or magnesium deficiency, which, you guessed it, turns the leaves red. Now, a sudden cold snap in the spring can also make them turn red, mostly just to complain about the weather. This usually fixes itself when it warms up. And, of course, they can get stressed from either too much or too little water. You know, just to keep you guessing. So, what's the solution? Don't just throw random fertilizer at it and hope for the best. Your very first step is to play detective and test your soil's pH. You can get a simple test kit at any garden center. If you find your pH is too high, say 6.0 or 7.0, you'll need to add amendments like elemental sulfur or a fertilizer for acid-loving plants to bring that pH down. So, if it's not fall and it wasn't caused by a recent cold snap, that red color is just a cry for help from your picky, high-maintenance blueberry bush. Check your soil pH, give it the acidic soil it craves, and you'll have it back to a happy, healthy green in no time. Thanks for watching.